Do you want to bring tranquility to your garden? Today we're exploring the magic of garden water features, a key element for achieving peace and serenity. From fountains to ponds, we'll cover a variety of these calming elements. Stay tuned to unlock the secret to a more peaceful and serene garden. Dive into the world of garden water features. Imagine a garden adorned with a stunning fountain, a centerpiece that sprinkles tranquility with its soft splashes. Fountains come in various forms, from grand tiered designs to subtle bubbling urns, each offering a distinct aesthetic appeal. Now, picture a serene garden pond, a tranquil haven for fish and water plants. A pond can be a focal point that introduces a whole new ecosystem into your garden. Let's not forget about the mesmerizing allure of waterfalls and streams. The cascading flow of water down a rocky slope or along a winding stream creates a soothing soundtrack that can transport you to a peaceful retreat within your own backyard. These water features are not just visually captivating, but they also fill your garden with the calming sound of water, turning it into a tranquil oasis. Each water feature brings a unique charm and tranquility to your garden. Guidance is at hand for choosing the perfect water feature for your garden. Consider the size of your garden. A small, delicate fountain might be lost in a large landscape, while a grand waterfall could overwhelm a tiny terrace. Maintenance is another factor. Do you have the time and energy for regular upkeep, or do you prefer a low-maintenance option? Finally, personal preference. Choose a water feature that speaks to your heart, be it modern or vintage, understated or bold. With the right water feature, you can transform your garden into a tranquil oasis. The tranquility of your garden is within your reach. Water features, be they fountains, ponds, or waterfalls, are key in creating a serene sanctuary. They bring life, sound, and beauty. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden insights. Tranquility awaits you in your own backyard.